our body. How well do you think you know your own body? Do you know what are the names of each part of your body? And how do we properly clean and preserve them? This clip has the answer. Our body is consisted of many organs and parts, which can be divided into two major types. The first type is external body parts that are visible to the naked eyes, whereas the second type is internal body parts that are invisible to our naked eyes. Today, we will take you to look at some of the main external body parts that we can see with our eyes, as well as some of the main internal organs inside our bodies. Let's go take a look at the body parts outside our body first. What do we have here? Head.
Ears.
Eyes. Nose. Mouth. Skin. Elbow. Arm. Fingers. Toes. Feet. And knee. Now, let's see some of the internal organs within our bodies. What do we have inside? Brain. Heart. Lung. Stomach. Small intestine. Large intestine or colon. Gallbladder. For each of the body parts to keep functioning well and keep staying healthy, we have to take a good care of them and maintain good hygiene regularly. Do you know how to keep our body parts, both the internal and the external organs, to stay well and healthy? How exactly do we need to clean them? Stay tuned. Today, this clip will show you some of the basic methods for maintaining good hygiene. Take a shower. Wash your hair. Brush your teeth after every meal and before going to bed. Cut your nails. Eat nutritious, healthy food. Frequently get a health checkup. Check your eyes regularly. And get enough rest. That's right. By doing these routines, we will have healthy and strong bodies that we deserve. Stay tuned for our next videos. Don't forget to press like and subscribe below.